Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the main flex on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the frame. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the screen. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it to relax on the body. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then unplug the LCD connector plug to free the screen from the body. Next, remove the faulty main connector flex from the body. First, remove the side brackets by undoing the screw. Next, remove the charging port bracket by undoing four screws. Next, disconnect the faulty main flex from all three sides. Next, place the new main flex and secure it to the three connector points. Next, place and secure the side brackets by adding the screw. Next, secure the charging port bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, install the screen to the body. First, secure the LCD plug. Next, fasten the battery plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, add glue or adhesive tape around the frame. Next, gently slide the screen into place from bottom to the top and press lightly along the edges to secure it. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.